Talk with some enthusiasm. We're trying to entertain people.
Silver, they're more like makes that nice dark silver. You know, you add that darkness to it. Color shifting. Restoring. That looks like a real fish.
Yo, hold it up.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Now you have a black on top of it. Oh, I should do the pool color for the shot. Those three are Uluas. Oh, I gotta do this one. Alright, part one is done. Now I've had it. Try not to get the trash can. Try like this. Like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at my thing.
We're getting a POV shot.
Oh, this thing's gonna work. Very safely. So what I like to do is just, use it like this.
Big shot of that.
So then you have your cap like that, you gotta make sure it seals. So then you... Okay. I gotta clean that up. So this is like the tricky part, is you want to add the right amount, so you just go like that much. So this is gonna get rid of that shine, and it makes it look real more lively. Like this kind of looks like a fish that's been sitting on the reef a couple days already. But when you do this, you do it right, it makes it foggy, it makes it look more realistic, and it preserves the tail.
And with fish sauce afterwards so that it smells realistic.
Yeah, you could do that too. You can have it on the rack so you can get the other side. This one we're gonna fill up small kind. So when I show each fish tail, I'm gonna do like a shot from like what the fish was. And, like show 5.
You won't believe what kind of fish I caught this year. That's more clickbait.
Oh, yeah.
I did what to these fish tails? Lock button. Yeah.
Text larger button, transparency, increase.
Make one. I'm gonna make one. Share all of them, boys. She almost all of it. Whoa! Yes,